You search best remote control helicopters and suddenly everything looks the same. Same claims, same glowing reviews, same tiny blades spinning in the photos. The most popular one keeps winning every list, so you buy it, excited, only to realize it won't even hover straight. Turns out, popularity doesn't mean performance. And that's exactly what I'm here to break down today. Product number 1, SIMREX Z16. First up is the SIMREX Z16, a helicopter that promises altitude hold, dual batteries, and easy controls for kids starting out. It's priced around $38, sits mid-range, and comes with 2 AA batteries included, which already tells me they're thinking about playtime length. If you want a beginner-friendly chopper that stays stable when you let go of the sticks, this is worth a serious look. But let's dig deeper. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The altitude hold feature uses air pressure sensors to keep the helicopter hovering at a consistent height once you take off. No more frantic stick adjustments just to stay level. That's huge if you're teaching someone how to fly or playing indoors where wind isn't an issue. Plus, the 4 GHz remote gives interference-free control, so if your neighbor also has RC toys nearby, yours won't glitch out. 2 rechargeable batteries give you up to 30 minutes total flight time, split between both units, longer than most mini helicopters in this price range. And honestly, with a 6-axis gyro system, even shaky hands can manage basic maneuvers like forward, backward, and turning. Now, some people complained about the build quality feeling flimsy after a few crashes. I'll be real, PVC body and plastic landing gears won't survive much rough handling. But here's the thing, if you're using this indoors or in calm outdoor conditions and you treat it gently, it actually holds together surprisingly well. The low voltage protection also helps prevent battery burnout, which is a common headache with cheaper models. This is perfect for you if you're buying for a teen or older kid who wants something reliable without breaking the bank. Skip this one if your child tends to crash hard or you need outdoor durability in breezy areas. Product number 2, Cheerwing Phantom Blue. If the SIMREX's size made you think it might not have enough power, meet the Cheerwing S107 Phantom in blue, smaller but louder, with upgraded gyro tech and colorful flashing lights. Priced at $33, it's one of the cheapest options, yet still manages to stand out with its 3-channel control and dual frequency switching. If you want something compact that still feels responsive and fun to fly, this takes a different approach by focusing on simplicity and signal clarity. Why this solves your problem? 3 channels mean you've got pitch, yaw, and throttle control, enough to actually steer directionally instead of just bouncing around randomly. That makes it way more usable than basic 2-channel models. The upgrade gyro system stabilizes flight instantly, so even on slightly uneven surfaces, it doesn't wobble like other budget choppers do. And those 2 selectable frequencies, perfect if you live near others flying RC planes, you can switch channels to avoid interference without losing connection. At just 13.3 ounces, it's light enough to carry anywhere, and the colorful LED lights add extra visual appeal during night flights. The big flaw. It runs on a non-standard battery type, which means you're stuck buying proprietary chargers and replacement cells later, not ideal if you lose or break the original. Also, since there are 0 verified reviews, you're kind of flying blind on real-world reliability. Still, given the low price point and solid feature set, it's hard to argue with the value. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist looking for a cheap entry point into directional flying or enjoy indoor-outdoor DMOS in quiet spaces. Skip this one if you prefer universal charging or want documented user feedback before investing. Product number 3, Cheerwing Crimson. Same helicopter as the blue version, but crimson. Seriously though, this is literally identical except for color and battery type. Lithium polymer instead of non-standard. Priced at $32, it's basically the same deal with better battery compatibility. If you like the Phantom stability and wanted to avoid proprietary power sources, this variant swaps in a standard LiPo cell that's easier to replace or charge separately. This solves your problem because LiPo batteries offer longer life cycles and faster recharge times compared to the SIMREX's AA setup. You don't need a special dock, just plug it into any USB charger. That convenience factor adds up over time, especially if you fly regularly. Like its sibling, it features the same upgraded gyro, 3-channel controls, and dual frequency capability, so flight performance matches exactly. But again, no actual reviews exist, so we're relying purely on specs. Some buyers online mention the plastic frame cracking after repeated impacts, though again, that's true across all ultra-budget models. What sets this apart isn't durability, it's the battery choice. For under $35, swapping to LiPo without paying extra is a smart move. Perfect if you want the same performance as the Blue model but with modern, widely available power. Skip it only if you're okay with non-standard batteries or prefer brighter visuals. The red LED is slightly dimmer. Product number 4, CYLION TB11. Now, if the previous models felt too fragile or lacked polish, this one steps up with premium touches. Dynamic LED lights, reinforced alloy frame, and safety-focused engineering. Priced higher at $49, it's positioned as a gift-ready option for younger kids aged 6 and up. If you want a helicopter that looks cool, flies smoothly, and survives minor bumps without dying immediately, this is worth a serious look. Here's why it matters for you. The LED effects cycle through multiple colors automatically, creating a show during flight perfect for birthday parties or evening play. More importantly, the altitude hold works so well that even first-timers can keep it steady while learning turns. The 4 GHz system ensures clean signal even with multiple devices active, and the modular batteries include overcharge, overcurrent, and low-voltage safeguards. Flight time hits 34 minutes total thanks to 2 Li-ion packs, each lasting 15-17 minutes. That's competitive with mid-tier models. Plus, the reinforced landing gear and PVC shell absorb shock better than cheaper alternatives. However, several users reported inconsistent charging behavior. The indicator light sometimes fails to turn off when full, leading to accidental overcharging. While rare, it's a design oversight that could shorten battery lifespan over time. Also, at nearly half a pound, it's heavier than the SIMREX, which affects agility slightly. This is perfect for you if you're gifting to a child who loves light shows and needs something durable enough for frequent indoor use. Skip this one if you need maximum speed or plan to fly outdoors in windy conditions. Product number 5, Syma S107G Red. Finally, we have the classic Syma S107G in red, a legend in the RC world known for rock-solid stability and simple operation. Priced at $32, it's another budget pick, but with decades of brand recognition behind it. If you want something proven, easy to repair, and genuinely beginner-friendly, this takes a timeless approach built on reliability over flash. Why this solves your problem? The brushed motor delivers smooth, predictable thrust without complex electronics, making it forgiving for new pilots. The integrated gyro stabilizes yaw motion instantly, so the tail doesn't spin wildly if you bump the controls. It's lightweight at just 8 ounces, easy to carry, and works right out of the box with a single LiPo battery. But here's the catch. It lacks altitude hold, so maintaining height requires constant throttle input, not ideal for beginners wanting hands-free stability. Also, it only has 2 channels, throttle and yaw, so directional control is limited compared to 3CH models. And while durable, it doesn't have LED lights or fancy features. This is perfect for you if you're patient, enjoy tinkering, and prioritize longevity over novelty. So which remote control helicopter actually works? The SIMREX Z16 wins for balanced features and altitude hold. The Cheerwing variants offer the best bang for buck with 3CH control. The CYLION stands out as the safest gift option with LEDs and crash resistance, and the Syma remains unbeaten for pure reliability and parts support. None are perfect, but each fills a real need, whether it's for learning, gifting, or just having fun without frustration.